Your kids will keep on asking you for moi moi if you make it this way. Hello, beautiful people. Today we're going to be making moi moi. So we're going to be needing some tomatoes, honey beans, beetroots, garlic and onions, crayfish, some meat stock, boiled egg. We're also going to be needing some raw eggs, some palm oil, some seasoning and pink salt. So in a tray, we're going to turn in our honey beans. We're going to select through it and take out any unwanted particles. Then in a bowl, we're going to soak it up at least for 30 minutes to an hour or overnight so that it will be easy for us to wash and all the chemicals can be taken out. So we're going to wash it and take out the back just like this. Then after, we're going to turn it into a blender. I'm going to add our beetroot into it, our tomatoes, some onions and garlic, crayfish, alongside with some meat stock. So this stock is going to act as seasoning, especially for little babies. So this recipe is actually very baby compliant, okay? So babies can eat it and the rest of the family. So we're turning in our palm oil right now, and then we're going to blend that together and let it mix up. So in a bowl, we're going to turn in our blended mixture. Next up, we're going to be adding our raw eggs, depending on how many you want. We're going to add our seasoning. So in that seasoning, we have some curry, a little bit of paprika, and whatever seasoning you may like. Then you can add your pink salt and give that a very good mix. Here we're going to be using a silicone mold. You could use your moi moi leaf or whatever mold you have. So we're just going to use this to make it look pretty for the babies. So we're adding our toppings and we're using eggs here. You could use fish or chicken or whatever it is you have in the house, liver, to up your baby's iron intake. We're just going to set that into the oven and let it get done. And voila, our lovely moi moi. It looks so beautiful. It was so soft. The children rushed this. This was so delicious. Please let me know when you try this recipe. I hope you will. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time, beautiful.